Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Globally Mag. This is your host Captain Wolf, and in today's video we are going to learn how to change and highlight mouse cursor on Windows 11. Well, to talk you through, you can easily change the style of your pointer, you can easily change the speed, you can highlight the mouse pointer as well. So all these things you are going to learn in this video. So before proceeding with my video, if this is the first time you have come to my channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon so that you get all the notification of my channel. So let's get started. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change and highlight mouse cursor on Windows 11. Well, sometimes changing the cursor size, changing the pointer speed is a very simple thing but very daunting task as well. So to start up, what you need to do is you need to go to your search bar and search for mouse pointer style. Mouse pointer style. As you can see, in Windows 11 there is a built-in application called mouse pointer style. We are going to click it and it is going to open the options for us. The utility is on mouse pointer and touch, and here you can see that we have different options of mouse pointer style. This is a simple style, which is the white cursor that I'm currently using, but I can change it to black color. As you can see that the cursor has changed. Let me increase the size of the cursor so that you can easily see the changes in the cursor style. The default is the white color. You can change it to black color, and then you have the option, the inverted one, so that you get an inverted style. And in the last, you can also change the color of your cursor. There are different colors available and you can choose among any of them. I like the turquoise color, so let's change it with that. This is how you can change the style of your pointer. And going further, the next thing is that you can easily change the size of the cursor as well. For this video, I changed the cursor and move it and make it a bigger one so that you can easily see. And here's the option. I'm going to go with it and going to do it the normal cursor style. So by default I'm going to go with 2, and I'm going to go with the default size so that I get all the notification as well. So this is how easy it is to change the style of the cursor and change the size of the cursor. And moving further, if you go into other mouse settings that you might be familiar with the other Windows version, let's go over there. So we have other cursor settings as well. We are going to go into the related settings. We are going to go into the mouse, and here we are going to go into the additional mouse settings. And here you can see that if you are familiar with the past version of Windows, you might have seen this option already as well. So these are the old options that Microsoft is still going along with. So let's go one by one with these options. As you can see that we have the option to switch the buttons from right click to left click. We have the speed option of clicking. We have the pointer. Here you have different pointer styles and you can change it as you want. We have the pointer option. We can increase the speed, and we can also display pointer trail. As you can see, the trail is there. I'm going to remove it. You can also hide pointer while typing. This mark is checked, so the pointer will be hidden. We can also show the location of the pointer when you can press Control key. Here I'm going to check this mark and apply it. And let's see if we hit the control icon. As you can see, the location of the cursor comes very visible on your screen. So this is why a very interesting option to go with. So I'm going to go with the old default options. We have the other wheel option, so you can roll how much lines you want to roll in. I'm going to go with the default size. I'm going to cancel this. So this is how you can easily change the size of the cursor within Windows 11 utilities. So moving further, if you want to highlight the cursor, this is you need to install a very simple app in your Microsoft Store. The app name is Mouse Highlight. I have already installed it. After installing, all you need to do is just change the setting according to your need, and you can change the cursor and highlight as you want. As you can see, the default size is 30. I can change it to as many number as I want. I can change the color of the highlight, apply it, plus if I enable it, it is going to highlight the area that I've selected, and then you have the size of the highlight. I can change the size to 40, and similarly the display timer is also there. So whenever you are teaching someone or you are sharing your screen with someone and you want to highlight certain things on your screen, you can do so. You can also select the color of your highlight. I'm going to change it to the green. I'm going to press it OK. As you can see that whenever I'm going to hit or highlight any area, the mouse cursor is moving around, and you can see that the text is being highlighted in yellow color, which is the first option. And if I'm going to click it, as you can see that the green color has been selected, which I selected in this app, and is going to display it for 10,000 milliseconds. Let's again try it. As you can see that the thing is highlighted in green, and it is going to stay there for 10,000 milliseconds. So this is how easy it is to highlight any area. So whenever you are moving your cursor, you can highlight the area. It is very good when you are teaching someone and you are sharing your tutorials or making your YouTube videos. And similarly, if you want to highlight it, you can opt for the settings. And if you do not want to use this application, you just need to close it, and your cursor is going to come back to its normal shape. So this is how easy it is to change and highlight mouse cursor on Windows 11. So if you like the video, do not forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell notification icon, and share your feedback with us so that we can keep on making more interesting videos on our channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.